When you're so busy, it's so stressful to make pizza dough from scratch. This is how I hack it to ensure I have fresh dough whenever I have pizza cravings. Once your dough has proof, remove it from the bowl and portion your dough into 100 grams each. Then create dough balls by pulling the sides of the dough into the center. Repeat this step and this dough recipe should produce 4 dough balls. Dust it lightly with the magic flour. You then line your bowl with cling film and dust it again with the magic flour. Place the dough ball inside and wrap it by folding each of the cling wrap by its sides and twist it till airtight. Repeat for the rest of the dough balls and then you place it all into the freezer. You can keep this in the freezer for up to 1 month. Now freezing is easy, but how do you wake up the dough when you want to bake the pizza? Nope, this doesn't work. I tried it. On the night before you want to bake pizza, remove the dough from the freezer and let it defrost in the chiller. It will start to soften and grow again as the yeast is now awake. It's 1 hour before you bake. Remove the dough from the chiller and follow these following steps. Remove the dough from the cling wrap. Now don't worry if it looks flat and hard. Reshape it into a ball, just like what you did earlier, by folding the sides into the center and make sure you dust it with magic flour. Now you let it rest at least 1 hour or more so that it will start to double in size, soften and ready for you to make pizza.